By default, your Facebook account is pretty public, allowing a lot of people to be able to see your bio information, posts, photos, videos, even allowing search engines to be able to track everything on your account. I'm going to show you how to make it completely private so that no one can see your photos, videos, or statuses, or maybe just your friends, depending on your preference. So let's jump right in. Open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Let's get to your settings. So tap on Menu at the bottom right. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. The first thing we're going to do is to scroll down and tap on Profile Locking. Now this is a brand new feature and you can see it is not available yet to me, but if it is available to you, just tap on Lock Your Profile and that does one step. However, that's not everything that we're going to do. So tap on Back and tap on How People Find and Contact You. You can see who can see your friend requests. You can choose instead of everyone, just friends of friends and hit Save. Also, who can see your friends list? Instead of friends or public, switch this to only me and hit Save. The next thing we're going to do is you can see people with your email address or phone number, can they find you? I'm going to instead switch this to no one so that they won't be able to find me even with my phone number or my email address. And most importantly, toggle off, do you want search engines to link to your profile? The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow here. And then next we'll tap on Posts. You can see it says, who can see your future posts? I'm going to tap on that and make sure this is not set to public. You can either choose friends here if you're okay with friends seeing your posts, or you can hit see all and switch to only me depending on your preference. The next thing we're going to do is tap on limit who can see past posts. Tap on view here. And then tap on Limit Past Posts. Essentially what this means is all of your old posts will just be limited to only your friends and it won't be set to public if you accidentally set old posts to public. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow here and tap the back arrow again. Scroll down from here and tap on Profile and Tagging. You can see it says who can post on your profile. Make sure to switch this to only me and hit Save. And who can see what others post on your profile? Again, switch this to only me and hit Save. The next thing we're going to do is to scroll down. Who can see posts you're tagged in? When you're tagged in a post, you want audience to be visible, etc. Make sure to set these as restrictive as possible to only me. Now that's not everything we're going to do. Let's tap the back arrow next and then tap on active status. Keep in mind, if you wanted to lock your profile or have it private, you don't want other people to see when you're active. So if this is toggled on, just toggle this off and hit turn off. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow here, tap the back arrow again, and then scroll up and tap on your profile at the top left. From here, let's see what other people will be able to see if they don't basically have an account and aren't friends with us. So from here, you can tap on the three dots at the top right, and then we'll tap on View As. You can see it says it will view it as public. So this is essentially what other people see if they're not your friends and they go to your profile. In this case, look through everything and make sure it doesn't show anything except your profile picture and your cover photo. Unfortunately, those are visible to anyone no matter what. And tap on Photos and make sure it doesn't show anything except your cover photo here. And you're good to go. You've set your account completely private. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thanks for spending a little bit of it here with me today, and I hope to catch you on the next one.